Guys, it's Alice from back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing snowman nail designs. I really like nail art. It is my thing. I do it all the time. All my friends know. I have a ton of it. It's just what I like doing. If you like nails, but like you're not super into it, I'm not going to be making this nail art account or doing a ton of nail arts, but I'm just going to do this one. If this is well received, I might do some more for Christmas because they're easy for me, and I'll try to do more unique ones that most people won't just think of themselves. I do my best to make it as most generic and easy, but again, like, I've practiced what I might think is easy might not actually be easy. On to the video. Is a snowman. So what you need for this is you need nails painted any color except for white or orange. The polishes you need for this are white, orange, any color of your choice, 3 different size dotting tools. It needs to be big, medium, and then smallest. You don't want them to be too small, but you want to find the correct order of these. Just also make sure to use acetone to clean off the top of these so you don't get any special colors that you don't want there. You need the smallest, finest one, definitely smaller than all 3 of the other dotting tools. It will not focus because it's so tiny. Then you need these just little jewels. These ones, obviously, just by looking at it, are super easy to like use and are super small. You can have a ton of them, and they're so easy to find. Any nail art kit that you can buy, literally on Amazon, will have these included. So what you want for this is, I chose green as my other color. You can literally choose purple, pink, gray, any color that you like. So what you want to do is you want to take all 3 dotting tools and you want to put a little drop of white. This you could use a nail mat or a piece of paper to do, a napkin, anywhere that won't absorb the polish. You want to take it, sure the top is really doused, and you just want to and you want to extend the circle so it's easier to do. So that's number 1. Now this you want to do on all of your nails. So now you have 5 nails, 1 color, with a big circle at the bottom. Next is, if you're making a real snowman, you want your medium-sized dotting tool. You just want to take it and put the body. I can assume you guys know where this is going. So now you have weird body, snowman body looking things. Now for this, you're done with your 3 size dotting tools, but you just want to add the character and not just make them pile of snow. So what you want to do is you want to take your fine one and this, you want to dip it in some white and you want to put it along the bottom. If you did the other ones, it might be a little too big and it would look kind of like you made a mistake and smeared in, but at the bottom it really makes it look like it's actually on the snow. This is going to be super hard to get on your nail, so you can just scrape off the excess there and maybe use a Q-tip later. So once you're done with that, you want to take these. Now for this, you can choose any color you like. Right now, I really like this yellow one. So I'm just going to tap out a little bit, and then I'm going to put the hole back onto the closed one. This part right here is completely unnecessary, but I think it's easier to use pliers. So I have these jewelry pliers that I will use to put these on. So just find the color you like and place it on in the center of the bottom circle. Then you can take the other color you like, the same color or another bead that has a color that you like. So now you have 2 little buttons on the snowman. You usually see drawings of snowman, usually just has some buttons on its chest. I don't know why, but that's how you do these. If you don't have any jewels, you can easily just use another dotting tool and put little dots. I have jewels, and I think it would just add a nice little sparkle touch to it. I'm going to do the rest of them later, but I'm just going to demonstrate what we're going to do on this finger just so you guys can get the best view of it. So what you want to do is you want to take another color. This is the color that could be any color. Mine was green. You want to put some out, and you want to take your finest dotting tool and dip it in. Wonderful. So once you can tell that it has the color on the end, this part you really want to focus really well. You're going to do a scarf. So you just take it and you brush it across the neck, dip it one more time, and brush it out, just like that. And that's the scarf. It's like it's blowing in the wind. It just adds a fun little touch to help bring this snowman look along. Now you can add a hat. If you don't want a scarf, you could add arms. So there's 3 things. You can do all of them. You can do none of them, just to customize it a little bit. So now you want to take your orange. This will be the carrot nose. So just take it. You do not need a lot either. And this, I think everyone knows what a carrot looks like. Just want to go and draw a little orange dot on the edge of the white, and then you want to bring it out. I would recommend using a color that's not too dark and not too light, because if you use a color too light, it might look too similar to the snow. And if you use a color that's too dark, it might look like you might not be able to see the scarf or the nose. So just choose your colors wisely, and make sure to think about it a little bit before you just choose a color that you like. Now, another thing that you can do, depending on the amount of paint or color options you have, or space even, depending on if you have like long nails, short nails, tiny nails, if you have small hands, you can do eyes or not. I'm going to do them on this guy. I don't know if they'll fit on these ones, since these ones have a lot smaller, but I'm just going to go 2 dots in my smallest dotting tool for eyes. Just a small little touch to add, and you can easily adjust this one.